One thing's for sure, this shoe in 20 minutes might be the death of me. I tried it last week, timed, and almost gave myself a stroke. Let's try it timed again. The forge is completely cold. It's a Saturday, it's a weekend. I'm gonna be kind to myself. Start off with a bar shoe, get the forge heated up a bit, then switch to a timed shoe. The satchel is all fun and games until you need to move it by yourself. Okay, let's make the other shoe. Stepped out of the workshop because it's too loud in there right now. It's really rough. At least the shoe is made, like it is in the shape of a shoe somewhat. It's such a hard shoe for me personally to make in 20 minutes. So that's where we're at, and hopefully I can improve between now and the contest.